So in today's test, do you what? This has been one of my most difficult ones, but probably an easy one. And I'm doing a sound test because I had a question a couple of weeks ago about the Avata 360. Did I ever do a sound test on it? And then he said, could you do a sound test between the Avata 2, obviously the 360, the Lito, and not forgetting my most favourite drone, the Flip. So I thought, yeah, why not? I can do that. That's easy. So I went out yesterday. God, it was a complete mess. And it's all to do with the mic. So what I've done, I don't know if you can see it, there's a landing pad there. And going metric now. So I've got my ruler. So it's exactly 2 meters away. And I thought what I'll do, I'll launch each drone and just let it hover. And then we'll take the sound from there. And what I'm going to do, you're going to see the drone, each drone obviously by itself. And then I'll try and pair them together. So, because there is a difference in the sound. And I'll let you guess which you think's the most quietest and what's probably most noisiest drone going. So I get on with it because this is a bizarre setup because I've got the mic on this tripod 2 meters away. I've got the camera over there, but I have to stand near this mic so you can hear me. So the first one is going to be my favourite, and it's the oldest as well. It's the Flip. Now, good thing about this, as soon as you open it up, it's all ready to take off. The only problem that I have is I have to connect it up with my other stuff. I'm just looking on here. Thank God it's on there. Oh, fuck. You know what, I knew this is going to be the problem because I use my phone now. It's my hotspot. See, if you want to know how to do that, guys, how to connect up your phone to your RC connector, please check that out. Because I'll tell you what, the amount of times that has saved me is amazing. So now we can go back in. So, the Lito X1. So, the Avata 360. So, the Avata 2, come on, let's get this right. So, hope you enjoyed that. I wonder if you noticed which was the quietest and which was the loudest. Now, I think personally, I'm not going to say it, but what do you think was the quietest drone? I mean, this is the thing, when you're going out filming, or you're going to a nice peaceful location like this, and say, just over there, somebody having a bit of a sunbathe, and then, you know, yeah, you do have to think about other people, unfortunately, when you're out flying your drone, and it can be quite annoying. And I think, obviously, the FPV drones, especially the Avatas, they're pretty noisy, aren't they? But even the smaller ones. Anyway, I'll let you decide. It'd be great to hear which one do you think's the quietest, which is the noisiest. And yeah, that was a hard one, because now I've got to go and do the magic now and put all this together to make it like a video. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the test. I've got to thank that guy for that question. And as always, there's going to be another video, Ray. Sooner!